Thank you, Madam Speaker. The Acting Minister, Prime Minister, the Leader of Opposition, Honourable Members of the House. Yes. In order to prepare an athlete for the Commonwealth Games, he has to be qualified for the national championship, the regional, the Oceania, and he has to come up with the timings and the effort that he made on what sports, not only in athletics, in national sporting organization is a member of, or she is a member of. The government is committed to give grants in the preparation of an athletes, and this starts 3 years back, not for this year only, but for this year, for the Commonwealth Games, for the question that was asked, the government grant allocated for Commonwealth Games is, for 2018 is $1,791,547 million. From this total, $1,124,060,000 is for team preparation, and $667,487 is for the costs associated with the team participation in the Commonwealth Games. So the team prepared for the Commonwealth Games. The Fiji contingent consists of 96 athletes and 45 officials for the Commonwealth Games in 2018. The sports in which Team Fiji will be the member of is consists of 12 sports, namely the athletics, badminton, weightlifting, rugby 7, netball, table tennis, squash, beach volleyball, swimming, bowls, shooting and boxing. And I'm sure, Madam Speaker, that the members of this House will join me in sending our very best wishes to the team for a successful outing in the Gold Coast in the coming weeks. And that's all, Madam Speaker.